So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding about blogs, how I created this blogs option. So basically this is for user, they can create a blog similar to like this. So this is the public blog page in which user can create or mentor can create blogs, and the other persons can or the other people can easily see the blogs or read the blog. Let's say we have this blog. I'm showing all these details like 1 minute's read and the date of the blog and the category of the blog, or basically the tag, and then there is a banner image, and then we have a little description, and then we have the content of the blog, and then after that we have a simple link, and then we have a card for the user or the author who has created this blog, and we can see the detail or his profile as well. So it will show the default profile or the profile of this user or this mentor. Similarly, this person John Wick can also create his own blog if he wants to create by going inside this create blog button. So it will redirect to this page, and here we can fill out the details. These are some input fields which are created with the help of Material UI, and then I can, let's say, suppose I want to create a blog on Internet of Things. I can put out some description. Here's some description. Let's say I can fill out some tags which I will use it for categorizing uh, the tags for different categories in future. I can add let's say internet. So this category is not listed, so we can select and add our own listing as well. So our own tags, we can also add that. We can also add a banner image for showing the banner on our, let me just put out any image for now, this image, that is fine. I can upload it, and then this image will be treated as a banner image for showing the banner inside as a card to the public. In the blog content, I can fill out the detail of the actual content or the actual content of the blog. Let's say I have a heading. So this is a React Quill editor. This editor is built with the help of React Quill. So it is a package which allows us to create, it is a WYSIWYG editor basically. So it is similarly used inside the Medium blogs, Medium website. So it will allow us to create content for our blog. It will give us a heading, all kinds of things we can add, like we can add bold, italic, underline, all these kind of options are there in this editor. So this editor is very great when we are creating a blog, or if you want to create a rich text somewhere. Let's say I can add Internet of Things. I can make it as heading by going inside this heading option. Then I can put out any description. For now, this is a detail, this is a detail. So I can put out anything here, and I can also add a code block as well similarly. So this code highlighting, let's say if I make it as code, so the highlighting of this code is done with the help of another package which is highlight.js. So basically that package allows us to highlight our code blocks inside this. So I've used that. First let me just remove it. Then I can add another heading. let's say it is heading to. I can also include any image if we have a uploaded image link by clicking on this button which is link. I can also link anything. I can make text bold, italic, underline, anything I want to do. I can make the text colored, right? I can make it subscript, superscript. I can add it quote, listing. I can put bullet listing and numerical listing as well. Paragraph indentation is there. Adding links. Let's say I want to add a link here, so I can make https google.com. I can make it as link, so somebody clicks on that, so it will redirect to that page. Similarly, I can add images or any video URL. If I have a URL link, so I can put that as well. So let's say I want to add Internet of Things, so I can grab that image. Let's say I want to use this image. So I can copy this image address and I can paste it inside here. If I click on this image, so it will ask me the MD URL, so I can put out the uploaded image URL. So by default this image will show to its original size, but I have also added a mechanism to resize these images by using another package, React will resize image resize, that allows us to resize the images inside a React Quill editor. So that is another package. Similarly, if you have a YouTube URL, so you can put that as well, so the video will also be included inside that. You can also change the font family if you want. So for now, let's create these things only. If I click on this create button, it will create a blog inside my blogs page. So I can edit the page again, so it will redirect me to the update option page, and I can change the things whatever I want to update, and I can change the content as well inside here. I can add extra content or I can delete the previous content, whatever update I want to do. This content I'm storing inside the database, so it will not be lost anywhere, and then it will reload that. So I can delete this blog as well. Let's see if it is shown inside the blogs page as well or not. So this is the public blog page. You can see we have Internet of Things and the tags which I added earlier, and it is showing me the author username and the image and the date of this blog creation. I can click on that and I can read this blog. This 1 minute mechanism or the timing of this is calculated with the help of a formula in which I'm using counting all the words and dividing that with 200, and then counting the minutes and then seconds, and then combining and rounding up that minutes to the updated one. So basically you can see this is all the content we have shown. So we have added these content in our blog, so it is showing us that, and this is the image we added, right? Similarly, I can see the profile of this person again. This is the author footer, like we also have a footer. This is the detail of the author, that who has written this blog basically. So this was it for blog. I think you got something, and I'm purely using database and React Quill editor for managing all these things. So that is it for this video. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching.